Good morning, students. Here, in previous class, we discussed about how we are going to convert this CFG into its equivalent grammar, right? Here, whenever we are going to convert any CFG to its equivalent grammar, in that particular case, we have to remove the useless productions, we have to remove the unit productions, and we have to remove the null productions, right? Here in yesterday's class, we discussed about how we are going to reduce the given grammar by using this useless production, how we are going to perform the removal of useless productions. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how we are going to perform the removal of unit productions and removal of null productions, right? And what do you mean by unit production? Before going to start the removal of unit production, first we have to learn about what do you mean by unit production. Generally, any grammar which is any grammar, here G equals to VTPS is there, G equals to VTPS is there. Here, just G equals to VTPS, this consisting of, V is consisting of set of variables, T is consisting of set of terminals, P is set of production, S is the starting symbol. Whenever we are going to generate any string by using this grammar, we have to start with the starting symbol. We have to start with the starting symbol. Here P is the productions. Here productions are, we are having various types of productions are there. For example, S tends to AB is one production, A tends to small a is one production, A tends to BA is one production, or B tends to C is one production, B tends to AB is also one production, B tends to S is also the one production. We are having various types of productions are there. We are having various types of productions are there. In these cases, right, whenever we are going to perform any whenever we are going to generate any string, we are going to use these productions, right? Here various types of productions are there. In this production, some of the productions are combination of two variables, some of the productions are combination of variable two terminals, some of the productions are combination of variable and the terminal. Here in some of the productions are in terms of two variables. Here left hand side we are having only one variable, right hand side we are having only one variable. This type of productions are unit productions, right? Any production rule of the form A tends to B, where A comma B are non-terminals. A is also the non-terminal, B is also the non-terminal. Then such type of production is known as the unit production. Whenever we are going to reduce the given grammar, whenever we are going to reduce any given grammar, we have to remove this unit production. We have to remove this unit production. How we are going to remove this unit productions, right? Here we are having three steps are there. How we are going to remove this unit production. Step 1, here for example, if any unit production is A tends to B is there, in that particular case we have to add all the B productions to this A. We have to add all the B production. For example, here my B production is B tends to X, my B production is B tends to X is there. Now just I am going to add this X to A, the A, then here then we can remove this unit production. For example, here you see, here this is my unit production, A tends to B is my unit production. Here B tends to X, original B production is B tends to X is there. Just we have to substitute this X production here. So A tends to X, we have to add this A tends to X to the original production, then we have to delete this unit productions. So here first add B tends to X to A production, then delete A tends to B production, and repeat the step 1 until all unit productions must be removed from the grammar, right? This is the unit production. How we are going to removing the unit production, right? Unit production means any production which is having the form of A tends to B, right? Any form which is having the form A tends to B, that is known as the unit production. In this whenever we are going to remove this unit production, we have to add the B productions to A, then delete this A tends to B from the given productions, right? This is known as unit production, right? See here. Now we'll solve an equation. Right. Remove the unit productions from the given following grammar. Here this grammar is consisting of these production. S tends to XY, X tends to Y, right? X tends to XY, X tends to A, y tends to z and or b, z tends to m tends to n tends to a is there. These are all the productions are there. Here in this all in all these productions, right, which one have the unit production? Here any production which is having a tends to b form, any production which is having a tends to b form, that particular production is known as the unit production. S tends to xy, is it a unit production? No, here two variables are there, right? So it is not a unit production. X tends to a, is it unit production? No, a is the variable. Y tends to z, yes, it is a unit production. So y tends to z is one unit production, right? Y tends to b, so it is here, see here, y tends to z or b means it is equivalent of y tends to z, y tends to b, it is equivalent in this format. This is the r symbol, this is the r symbol. Next is z tends to m, right? Here two variables, z is the variable, m is the variable, so this is also one unit production, right? M tends to n, this is also in the form of unit production. M tends to n is also unit. N tends to a is there. This is the, this is not the unit production. So we are having here, we are having three unit productions. Remaining productions are, remaining productions of the grammar are s tends to xy, x tends to a, right? Y tends to b, then n tends to a. These are all normal production. These are all normal productions, right? This grammar is consisting of how many variables? Variables are x, y, z. Terminals a, comma b. Starting symbol is s only, right? These are all the productions, right? Now first here, see here, here y tends to z is there, z tends to m is there, m tends to n is there. These three are the unit production. We have to check which one we have to remove first. For example, I am going to take n, m tends to n. Why? Because see here, m is there, m is also having the unit production, z is also having the unit production, but this n is doesn't have any unit production. That's the reason first I am going to take this removal of m tends to n, removal of m tends to n, right? Here, see here, m, what is the n productions now? N tends to a is having the correct production, n tends to a is there. So just we have to add n tends to a to the m. So here now my, here n tends to a is there, just we have to add m tends to a to m tends to a production to this one, then we have to delete this m tends to n production, right? Now my productions becomes here, just we have to add here m tends to a, just we have to add m tends to a. So here I am going to write this one, m tends to a. Now what are the my productions now? S tends to xy is there, x tends to a is there, y tends to z, b is there, z tends to m is there, m tends to n, n tends to a. This is my grammar. Now in this grammar, which one is the unit production? Y tends to z is one unit production is there, z tends to m is one unit production is there. Now we have to remove this one, z. Now yeah, see here, this is there. Now I am going to remove this z tends to m production. Now I am going to add this all m productions to z. What is the m production? M tends to a is my production, m tends to a is my production. So just I am going to add this m tends to a to this one. Now what is my productions then? Here in z tends, here this, if I am going to removing this one, if I am going to removing z tends to m, just I'm going to add all the m production. What are m productions? A, only m tends to a is there, that is z tends to a. Just I'm going to add z tends to a. See here productions, whenever I'm going to remove this z tends to a m, just my productions become x, s tends to xy is there, x tends to a is there, y tends to z as it is there, b is there. Now z tends to a, I should add z tends to a, m, already m tends to a is there, z tends to, n tends to a is there. Now here this is my grammar. Now after rectifying this, I am getting this grammar. Now we have check the unit productions in this grammar. Which one is the unit production? Y tends to z is my unit production. Y tends to z is my unit production. Now I am going to deleting this y tends to z production. Y tends to z. All the z productions we have to add this one. What is my z production here? Z tends to a is my only one production is there. Then I am going to add y tends to a here. Just y tends to a here. So just here. Now here all the original productions are, see here, S tends to xy is there, x tends to a is there. Instead of y tends to z, we have to write y tends to a, right? R symbol already there, then b, right? Z tends to a is as it is, M tends to a, N tends to a. This is the grammar after removing this. X tends to xy. Is the any unit production is there? No. See here. See, S, this is the grammar after after removing the unit production. S tends to xy. Check for this one. S tends to xy. Is it a unit production? No. X tends to a. Unit production? No. Y tends to a comma b? No. Z tends to a is there. M tends to a is there. N tends to a is there. All these are not the unit production. So this grammar is just we are removing the all the unit productions from this given grammar, right? Now we will go for the next question, how we are going to removing this one. For example, see here, this is my next question, how we are going to removing the unit productions for this one. Here my grammar is S tends to A, B, B tends to A, B, B, A tends to A, B, C and B. Here in this grammar, here what are the variables here? Here generally this grammar is consisting of here G equals to V, T, P, S. What are the V now? V is S, A, B, right? What is T? T equals to A, B, C. This is the production, S is the starting symbol, right? Now, here, in this given grammar, what are the unit productions now? Here, unit productions are what are the unit productions here? S tends to B is one unit production, right? B tends to A is one unit production, and A tends to B is another unit production. So we have to remove all these unit productions. Remove all these unit productions. How we are going to removing all these unit productions now? How we are going to remove this one? Same. Yeah, same. Just we have to add all these. Just we have to add all these things. Just we are going to add the productions of the this one. First, I am going to first I am going to remove this one. Remove A tends to B unit production. Remove, right? First, I am going to add A tends to B unit production. What is my A tends to B unit production? Just I am going to add. So add all B productions to A. What are the B production? A tends to, what is my B productions? See here, only BB is there. Only BB is there. Just we have to add B tends to A also. Only is B production is B tends to BB is there. That's why I'm going to add. After removing this one, after removing A tends to B unit production, after removing A tends to B unit productions, uh, productions of the grammar is productions of the grammar. Yes. What are the here productions of the grammar now? Here S tends to A B, right? Then B tends to A B B, right? Now A tends to A B C B B. This is production is there now. A tends to B B just. Now which one is the next unit production now? Here which one is the next unit production for this one? Here just we have to add B tends to A unit production. Now my second unit production is remove B tends to A unit production. So add all A productions to B. Productions to B, right? What are the A productions now? Yeah, B tends to, here, uh, B tends to A na. My A productions are A, B, C, B, B. A, B, C, B, B is there, right? Now, after removing, after removing uh, B tends to A unit production, productions are, what are my productions now? Here, B tends to A is there na? See here, S tends to B is there, right? B tends to, here A. B tends to A means already here we have to add this one. Na? Here this A, B, C, B, B is there. B tends to A, we have to add this production. Now remaining is C here. This is B, B is there. Already B, B is there. So no need to add again B, B production, right? Now, this, what is the A tends to? A tends to A, B, C, B, B is there, right? Up to here, we are removing this B tends to A production. After we are removing this B tends to A production. Now here in this given grammar, which one is the unit production? S tends to B is the unit production. So we have to remove this one. Remove S tends to B unit production. S tends to be unit production, right? So add add B productions to, add B productions to S. What is my B productions? A, B, C, B, B. So S tends to A, B, C, B, B is there. A, B, C, B, B is there. After this one, what is S here? After this one, after removing these productions, after removing the productions, after removing the unit productions, what is S production? S production is S tends to A here. See S tends to, see here S tends to, here first is here, this is S tends to A is there, then remaining are S tends to B is there, A tends to B, C and B, 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 C and B, B. With this here, now here, after this, now what are now all the what are the all the remaining productions? All productions of the grammar are, all productions of the grammar, uh, what are my productions? See here, S tends to A, A, B, C, B, B, right? B tends to A, what is A? B tends to A, B, C, B, B. What is A? A tends to A, B, C, and B, B. These are my productions, right? In this format, we have to remove the unit production. Whenever we are going to remove the unit productions, first we have to recognize what are the unit productions, then we have to substitute the remaining productions, right? No. Next is, see here. Now, this is one, this is remove all the unit productions for this one. This is homework for you all. Remove all the unit productions. Remove all unit productions for this case, right? This is the homework. Uh, uh, Solve this given problem and submit it as an assignment. Next one is the next topic is the removal of null productions. Here null production means here in the previous case, what is unit production? A tends to B is the unit production. Here A tends to epsilon. A tends to epsilon is the unit production. A tends to epsilon is the unit production. So we have to remove this null productions. We have to remove this null production. Why we are going to performing all those things, all this removal of unit production, removal of useless productions, removal of null productions means just we are going to simplifying the given CFG, context free grammar. In this case, whenever we hear any in the CFG, a non-terminal symbol A is a nullable variable if there is a production A tends to epsilon, or there is a derivation that starts at A and finally ends up with epsilon. Then these productions are known as the null productions. Now, how we are going to remove these null productions? Yeah, find out the nullable. Just we have to substitute the epsilon symbol wherever a variable is present. Find out nullable terminal variable which derives epsilon. In step 2, for each production A tends to A, construct all the productions A tends to X where X is obtained from A by removing one or multiple terminals from the step 1. Combine the original productions with the result of step 2 and we can remove the epsilon production. In this case, we are going to removing the null production. Just we have to substitute this just we have to substitute wherever the epsilon is there, wherever the A symbol is there, A variable is there, just we have to substitute that one, right? Substitute this one. Right now, see here in this case, remove all null productions from the following. S tends to ASA, AB and B. A tends to B, B epsilon. B tends to B comma epsilon. What are the here in this case? What are the null productions here? In this case, null productions are A tends to here. Null productions are here. A tends to epsilon is one null production and B tends to epsilon is one more null production. A tends to epsilon is one null production and B tends to epsilon is one more null productions, right? Right. At first we have to remove B. For example, first I am going to start with the B. B tends to epsilon. First, just I am going to removing this B tends to epsilon null production. In this case, wherever B is there, just we have to substitute this one. See here in this case, here first check this one. S tends to AS, A is there. Is there any B symbol is there? No. S tends to AB is there. So we have to substitute this epsilon here. So here, in this case, in S tends to here, S tends to AB is there. So we have to substitute S tends to A epsilon, then S tends to A is there. So we are getting one new symbol, right? Now A tends to B is there. So A tends to B, right? A tends here, B is null. So no need to write this one. B tends to B is there. After substituting B tends to epsilon symbol, what are my productions are? S tends to ASA as it is. AB, right? AB is there. So as it is, we are going to write AB. Then B is there. B. Here now we have to add whenever we are going to substitute the epsilon value in case of B, we have to add that particular production. S tends to A production is there. Now we have to add S tends to A here. Right now, my A productions are A tends to B, B epsilon, B epsilon is there, B tends to B. Already we removed this epsilon now. That's why we are not going to writing this one. Now this is now my grammar is consisting of these productions. Now in this productions, which one is the null production? A tends to epsilon is the null production. Now we have to substitute wherever the A value is there. See here in this case, which one here in the given productions? S tends to A, S, A is one production is there. S tends to AS, A is one production. Yeah, in this case, in this case, A variable is there. Then AB is there. B, no need. B terminal, A tends to B is there. No need of this B1. Right, B small, there is no question of A is there. So this is my original symbol where we can substitute this A. First I am going to substitute this one. S tends to, what is this one here? Epsilon SA, epsilon SA. So my answer is S tends to SA. This is one production, right? Now here in the same way, S tends to ASA is there. In this particular case, S tends to A S, instead of this A, I am going to putting this epsilon. So S tends to AS. Epsilon means null value. Now here again one more combination we can write here. S tends to A, S, A is there. So S tends to epsilon, S, epsilon, right? Then S tends to S, one more production is there. Just we have to add these productions to the given production. So my productions are S tends to ASA. Here after removing A tends to epsilon, my productions become S tends to ASA, right? AB is there, right? B is there, right? A is there, right? Now I'm going to add this one, SA, AS and S. A tends to BB is there, right? B tends to B is my final set of productions without null productions in for the given CFG. For the given CFG, these are my null productions, right? Now, in this way, we are going to remove this null productions. For example, here. Now, here remove all the null productions from the given CFG. Remove all the null productions from the given CFG. In this case, how we are going to performing this one? See here. Here only in this case, here how many in this case, which one is the null production? A tends to epsilon is my null production. A tends to epsilon is my null production. Here wherever A is there, just we have to substitute. Here in this case A is there, so S tends to B is there, right? So S tends to A epsilon B, so S tends to AB, right? This is one production, right? Next is A tends to B, A tends to A epsilon B, A tends to AB is there, right? Is there any one more epsilon symbol is there, null production is there? No. So add these productions to the original productions. What are my original productions now? Yeah, my original productions are S tends to AB. Next, S tends to AB is there. So S tends to AB, right? A tends to AAB is there. This is my original production. Then AB. This is my next production. This is the now these productions are my productions after removing the null productions from the given grammar, right? Yeah, next one. See here, in this case, next third problem, just remove all the null productions from the given following grammar, right? S tends to A here. See here, S tends to ABC is there. I'll write here. Yeah. What are my production null productions here? A tends to epsilon is my null production. Then B tends to epsilon is my null production. Then C tends to epsilon is my null production. Right? These are all my null productions. So first I have to remove this null productions. Yeah, first here, see here, whenever we are going to removing this one, we have to take the combination. First I am going to take this one, A tends to epsilon production. See here, first I am going to take, here in first case I am going to take A tends to epsilon production. This one, right? Remove. Right here, wherever A is there, say here S, yeah, S tends to A, B, A, C is there. So S tends to epsilon B, A, C. S tends to B, A, C, right? Here. A tends to B, C is there, no need. A, B tends to B is there, no need. C tends to D is there, no need. D tends to small d is there, no need. Just we have to add S tends to B, A, C for this one. Now, after removing this, productions of my grammar are productions are, what is my productions here? S tends to A, B, A, C, right? B, A, C, right? Remaining are as it is, now my next case is I am going to remove this B tends to epsilon production, right? Remove B tends to epsilon production. How we are going to remove this B tends to epsilon production? See here, wherever B is there, just we have to substitute this one. In this case, here S tends to A, B, AC, one production is there, right? Already this one is there. S tends to ABC is one production is there. S tends to BAC, one more production is there, right? Here this is S productions are there na, ABAC, BAC is there. Now B production, A tends to BC is also my B productions, A tends to BC is also my B production. Next B tends to B is there, C tends to D, D tends to D is there. So just we have to substitute this one. S tends to A epsilon AC. So S tends to AAC, right? S tends to epsilon AC, S tends to AC, right? A tends to epsilon C, so A tends to C, right? After removing this one, productions are what are my productions? S tends to A, B, A, C, B, A, C, then see here, A, A, C, A, A, C, then A, C, right? Next, A tends to B, C, then A tends to C is there. Next, B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D is there, right? Now I have to, now what is my third step now? I'll go here, third step. Right. C tends to, just remove C tends to epsilon production. How we have to remove this C tends to epsilon production? What are my productions are? S tends to A, B, A, C, A tends to B, C, right? B tends to B is there, C tends to D is there, D tends to D is there, no need of this one. So S tends to A, B, A epsilon, S tends to A, B, A tends to B epsilon, A tends to B, right? After removing this one, productions are, what are my productions? Productions are S tends to A, B, A, C. We have to check this one. Step 2, we have to check this step 2. A, B, A, C, right? B, A, C, A, C, A, C, A, B, A, right? Now, A tends to B, C, C, B, right? B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D, right? Now see here, A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon, C tends to epsilon is there. Now we have to take the combination. We have to take the combination of these things. We have to take the combination. How we are going to take the combination for this one? Here, right? Here, we can take the combinations are how, here. Three are there now. So here we are going to take A tends to epsilon and B tends to epsilon. At a time I am going to substitute these two, right? Next, uh, A tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon. I am going to substitute at a time these two. Next is uh, B tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon, right? Here in this case, every time we have to check the combinations also. Here next combination is, my next combination is A tends to epsilon and B tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon. These are all my combinations. These are all my combination. So I have to substitute all those things, right? See here, after completion of this one, my productions are S tends to ABAC, right? I'm going to write this one here. Uh, after performing uh, after performing or removing null productions, productions of the grammar are productions of the given grammar, given grammar, uh, what is this one? S tends to ABAC, right? S tends to ABAC, S tends to ABAC, then BAC, then BAC, then AAC, then AAC, then AC, then AC, then ABA, then ABA, right? Next, A tends to BC. Here, A tends to BC, C, then B. Then B tends to B. B tends to B. C tends to D. D tends to small d. C tends to D. D tends to small d. These are all my productions. Now I have to substitute these productions. Now I have to substitute these productions. See here. A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon is there now. So here in this case, AB production, at a time AB production should be there. Here also we are having AB production. So here I am going to add S tends to A, B, A, C. This is one production. The next production is S tends to A, B, A, right? Just we have to substitute this one. One any other is there. Individually B is there, individually A is there. No need to add that one. So S tends to epsilon, epsilon, A, C. So S tends to A, C, right? S tends to epsilon, epsilon, A. S tends to A. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to add all those things for this one. So my productions after removing this null production, productions are, what is my productions? S tends to A, B, A, C, B, A, C, A, C, A, C, A, B, A, then A, C, then A. Then A tends to B, C, C, B. Then B tends to B. C tends to D. D tends to D. Right? Next is we'll go for this one. Next we will go for this one here. A tends to remove this one. Remove A tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon, right? Here in this case A, C is there, A, C, here A is there, C is there, here also A and C is there, right? So we have to remove this one. What are the productions now? My productions are S tends to A, B, A, C, right? Next is here S tends to A, C. So S tends to epsilon, B, A, epsilon, S tends to B, A. S tends to epsilon A epsilon. S tends to A, right? Any other production is there? A with AC, AC, any production is there? No. In A, BC is there? Nothing is there. So after removing the production, what are my productions? After removing null production, my productions are, right, S tends to A, B, A, C, B, A, C, A, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, A, yeah, B, A, right, B, A, right, B, A, then S tends to A is there, already A is there, no need to write this one. Then A tends to B, C, C, B, right? B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D. This is my productions, right? Now, now remove these productions, right? Remove B tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon production. Check this one, BC. Is there any BC is there? Yes, here. S tends to A, B, A, C, B tends to, S tends to B, A, C, right? B, A, C is there, A, C, A, B, A is there. So there is no combination of B, C is there. So S tends to A, epsilon, A, epsilon. So S tends to A, right? S tends to epsilon, A, epsilon. S tends to A. S tends to A is there, right? So after removing null productions, what are my productions now? Yeah. S tends to A, B, A, C, B, A, C, A, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, right? Next, A, next, B, A, yeah, next A, already A is there, so A, next. A tends to B, C, C, B, right? B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D, right? Yeah, this removal is completed. Now we have to remove this one. How we are going to remove this one? Here, now next is remove. Here I'll write here. This is 1. Next is, this is 2. This is 3. Now I'm removing this 4. Right? What is my production? A tends to epsilon and B tends to epsilon and C tends to epsilon. A, B, C should be there. Here in this only one production, A, B, C is there. So S tends to A, B, A, C. So S tends to epsilon, epsilon, A, epsilon. S tends to A is there. Is there any other thing is there? No. So now my final productions are completed now. So final productions are final production are, what are my final productions? S tends to A, B, A, C, B A C A C A C A B A C A B A. Already this A is there. Already this A is there. Just I am going to write this A here. Alright. See here. Yeah, I forget to write this A. E- Here also I forget to already here I read it. See, already A is there. Sorry. Right. Next is my final productions are now A tends to B C C B. Next B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D. These are all my final productions. These are all my final productions, right? This is very, very important topic. Right? With this, I'm going to concluding. In next class, I'm going to discuss about Chomsky normal form. This is very, very important topic. From this topic, you are going to get LAQ. Right? Thank you.